hot and windy Wellington. We start harvest this morning, our Grenache blanc. It's bushvine vineyards. This is the first harvest on the farm of this year, and the Grenache blanc as well. We're very excited about this. We've got some yellow color on the berries, and the reason for that is that we've decided to leave it until it's a higher sugar. It's about 24 bulling, and we want to make a fuller style Grenache blanc, nice full-bodied wine, and especially for the wine club members. So if you're not a wine club member yet, I think you know what to do. We will keep you up to date on the harvest and the cultivars that we can expect that's next on our list.